On January 21st, 2019, for the very first time, NASA's TESS saw a black hole destroy a star. This was a tidal disruption event, which occurs when a star passes too close to a black hole. Extreme gravity causes the star to bulge and break apart into a stream of gas. The tail of the stream escapes into space, but the rest swings around to form an accretion disk. This event, called ASAS-SN for the All-Sky Automated Survey for Supernovae, which first identified it, happened in the TESS Continuous Viewing Zone. TESS's 4 cameras scan large sectors of the sky, and one constantly monitored this region for a full year. TESS saw ASAS-SN as soon as it started to brighten, days before other observatories spotted it. NASA's SWIFT satellite quickly observed the outburst in visible light, UV, and, along with the European XMM-Newton satellite, X-rays. The UV measurements are the earliest recorded for a tidal disruption to date. They showed the event's temperature dropped almost 50% in just a few days. Such a steep decrease has never been seen in a tidal disruption before. These outbursts are rare, happening only once every 10,000 to 100,000 years in a galaxy like our own. Future discoveries will help us learn even more about these uncommon cosmic blasts.